Hello, YouTube! Hey guys.
Oh, don't do that.
It's okay for her to do it, but it's not okay for me to do it.
Well, I'm a camera person.
It's my camera. It's my YouTube channel.
Yeah, well, I get paid for it.
Anywho, Caitlin and I... That's Caitlin in case you didn't notice. We're going to go for our 3-mile walk. We're going to go hit the John Wayne Trail over here, go to the back end of one of the parks, go into the park. There's supposed to be a paved walkway.
Not supposed to be very.
There is a paved walkway over there that we're going to go around a couple of times until my phone tells me that we've done a mile and a half or so, and then start heading back.
And
maybe
guess
2
what?
miles. I don't know. We'll see.
Guess what? I'm wearing my Fitbit.
About time. And she's got some really pretty rocks that she's painted that she's gonna put out.
I'm not sure if you can see that. It's a little ghosty with a flower and then another little ghosty in a window. Ghost.
So let's go for our walk. And then we're gonna have dinner. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Hasta mañana. And that is the ROTC people hard at work.
Yeah, I think that's more fun than work.
Oh no, that's work.
That looks fun. I want to do that. It's raining!
It is. It's starting to rain. Here's the park. Isn't this pretty? So there's the path.
Over there, though.
Goes all the way around. I'm not sure.
Oh, I gotta get a picture of that.
But look at that. Look at that over there. Let's see. Let me zoom you guys in. Hold on, I can't see if I'm zooming or not. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that.
Pretty.
Look at the sky. This, let's see, where are we at? This is what we're looking at. That's right above us.
Yeah, it is.
So, yeah, it's raining. It's raining, men. No, it's not. I wish it were.
Mama.
So there's that.
You're married.
I'm married, so I must be a nun. Anywho, that's fine. I love my husband and he knows that. Alright, so we're gonna get our walk on. Hopefully
We are.
it doesn't start pouring.
Even if it does, we're gonna keep walking.
Well,
Because I like rain.
yeah, if it starts lightning, I am out.
I'm staying.
O-U-T, out.
I'm staying. Yeah.
Alright, we'll see you guys again in a bit. Changing plans. We are back over at our park. It really started pouring. My shirt is, well, actually it's pretty dry now. It really started coming down. So we hightailed it back towards our house. We're just at 2 miles. So we're gonna do a couple of loops around here. Sorry, I was like speed walking, trying to get my heart going, my legs going. So we'll let you know when we get home. But that's what we're doing. Oh, you guys. Okay. Sorry, I'm like pooped. Oh, not too bad. All right, Caitlin bailed. Caitlin freaking bailed. We were on our second round around that park over there. And she's like, I gotta go potty. Whatever. So she came back to the house and I'm like, okay, I still have a little bit to go to hit my 3 miles. Sorry, I keep looking up at the viewfinder. I still had a little bit to go to hit my 3 miles. I'm like, no way, I'm not leaving this park until I hit my 3 miles. So I went around one more time, which is a 1/4 of a mile, because 4 times around is a full mile. So a 1/4 of a mile, and then walked back home. Once I hit that last round, it was like 3.2 miles, 3.1 miles, whatever it was. So I went ahead and walked home. So this is what we got for our walk. Hold on, let me flip you. Oh. So 3.14 miles. And we're at 7,000 steps, which I really wanted that to be 10, but that's okay. So that's what we're at. Sweet! Yeah! When I get home, and I'm like, oh, did you let Pandora out? So Caitlin's like, I just got here. What do you mean you just got? I did a whole lap over there at the park and then came home. What are you talking about? So apparently my speed has gone up, which is awesome. And I was trying to walk really fast. I had my arms going and I was in the groove and in the moment, and I'm, yeah, this is good. So it was pretty cool. The fact that I actually got my speed going that fast is really awesome.
I had only been here like 5 minutes by the time you got home.
I gotta drink my water. Like my cup. You guys are probably so sick and tired of seeing my cup, aren't you? But I love her. Mwah. Thank you, Nikki. For the new people, if you like that cup, go to Facebook. Go on to Facebook. Nikki Creations is her Facebook group, and Creations is with a K. Okay, so now we're gonna go get us some dinner started. Caitlin is having regular breaded fish, not sticks, because they're not really sticks. Oh, my legs. And then she's having regular tater tots. Let me get some light going on in here.
Time to get Taylor's big water feeder out.
Ah. Okay.
She's still on the schedule for her food, but she does need more water.
I'm gonna set the oven at 400. Come on, there we go. So, and then I am having veggie tots, which is cauliflower tots, and I'm having actual fish fillet. I believe it is, yeah, it's cod. Oops. I pushed a button, y'all. I don't know what I pushed, but I pushed a button. I don't know what I did, but... So, this is what I'm having. One of these. And some of those. And then I'm going to make a salad. So, we've got... Oh, here they are. So it's 15 carbs, 5 which are fiber. There it is. And then you get 6 pieces. So it's not the best, but it's a heck of a lot better than regular potato tater tots, which is a no-no for me. So I'm going to get all of this in the oven. Yeah, this is what Caitlin's having. She's got the regular tater tots. And then she's got these guys. That's what she's having. And then Jeremy is search and rescue meeting. Because they have their monthly meeting for that. So I will be right back very shortly. Okay, so this is my fish. They come individually packaged, thank goodness, because I'm the only one that eats it. I took it out, put it in some foil, and I pinched the edges. We've got butter, lemon juice, garlic, and some no seasoned salt, or salt-free seasoning.
No seasoned salt.
Whatever. Salt-free. And I'm just gonna make sure that it's pinched really good on the sides because it's frozen. Just like that. And we're gonna roll it down. And that's gonna go in with my tater tots. And it's not gonna take very long. So it should be a perfect amount of time with my cauli tots. Cauliflower tots.
And then here's my dinner. I'm eating normal person food.
Okay, so this is what they look like. 1, 2, 3, 4.
They look kind of weird.
5, 6, right? Yeah, I get 6 pieces.
That's your dinner.
That's my dinner. My fish and and then I'll have a salad to go with it. That's my dinner. That's what I get.
Look at that. Look at that.
That's what I get.
All those little, all 6 of your tater tots.
Yes, that's what I get.
You think that if you could only have 6, they'd make them bigger.
But you make them bigger, then they have more carbs in them. That's got 15 carbs right there. You make them bigger and I'm going to be in trouble. I get less. How many carbs and what's the serving size?
Yeah, 11 of these
Yeah,
is 19 carbs.
19.
2 of them are dietary fibers.
Yeah.
So you get more of these for a couple more carbs.
Yeah, but the dietary on mine is 5. So that makes it 10 carbs for 6. What?
Still more.
Yeah, it's more carbs.
A couple more carbs.
Yeah. Girl. No.
7 more carbs for 5 more tater tots.
7 carbs for someone who's diabetic and trying to lose weight is a lot. When are you going to understand that? All right, let's put our food in the oven because I'm hungry, dadgummit. Whoop.
Don't put mine in yet, I'm not done with it.
Okay. There she goes. And I'll be back in about 15 minutes to let you see what it looks like. All right, there she is. That's what I get. There's my tater tots, my fish, and my salad. That's my dinner. So, we're gonna go sit down and eat. And I don't know, we might go across the street afterwards. We'll have to wait and see. If we do, then I'll come back on and take you guys with me again. But if not, See y'all later. Bye. All right, y'all. We have decided to go across the street. Now, I can't say the P word. Don't. Just a minute. Hold on. I want to show. So we put her harness on. Now, if we say the P word, she's going to start whining until we get her leashed up and go to the P word. So watch. Hey, Pandora. Oh, I totally almost dropped my camera. I flipped the camera around. It almost fell out of my hand. I pushed a button and everything went super dark.
And who fixed it?
Caitlin fixed it.
Hey, Pandora, I want to go to the park.
We'll go to the park?
You go park, Pandora? You want to go to the park? Come on.
Hold on, hold on. Ooh. Let me shorten up the leash before you take off. Okay. Otherwise, she'll take off. Make sure you get that door shut all the way. Don't film my butt.
It's fine.
It's not. Don't do that.
Pandora, are you excited to go?
She's like, she's pulling me. She's big time pulling me.
Yeah, there's...
Pandora, come here. Oh, I think she's looking for someplace to go potty. She found something. So here, I'll take this. You can let her off the
Unleash the
leash.
hound.
Pandora? Shh. Shh. Pandora! No! Kaylin, go get her right now. Pandora, you come here. Oh, dadgummit, that girl. She just took right off. Trying to figure out where she's at. Okay, there she is. Pandora? Yeah, she knows she's in trouble now. Alright, y'all. So don't forget we have a giveaway going on for 200 subscriber. As soon as we hit 200 subscribers, then we're going to do a giveaway. We've got a nice stash going for the winner. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to the channel, like it, and comment down below entered. There's also a link in the description that you need to click on that will take you over to the entry form. You need to fill that out as well. And then as soon as we hit 200, we'll do a giveaway. And just an FYI, after you eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, doesn't matter if you're diabetic or if you're trying to lose weight, or it's just in general, it's a good idea to get at least 15 minutes of good hard exercise in. It just helps with the digestion. It helps, you know, get you going, get your bowels moving, however you want to say it.
I have a challenge for you.
You have a challenge for me.
I have a challenge for you.
Yeah, what's that?
We're gonna wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
You're gonna wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
And then come out here for a walk.
You're gonna wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yep.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. And then, but really soon after we wake up, we're gonna come out here. Super early morning walk.
You're on.
Okay.
I want this shake hand. Okay, there we go. So tomorrow morning at 5:20, we're gonna be right here. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, this is gonna be funny.
Oh, there is.
Yeah,
I forgot.
this is gonna be funny because I don't have a problem getting up that early. She can't get up that early. Oh, this is gonna be funny. Oh wait, but what do I win if I do it and you don't?
A free day of work.
A free day of work?
Free day
Really?
of work.
A free whole day?
Whole day.
So editing, video, everything.
Yeah. Just one whole day.
Look at how
Can't do
pretty
it.
she's sitting though. She's barking.
One
There's
whole
people
day.
coming around. One whole day.
One whole day.
Okay. All right, y'all. We have people coming around, so don't forget, hit that subscribe button. See y'all later. Bye.